following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a flash flood warning for Southern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, until midnight tonight. At 8:52 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Kenosha, Racine, Janesville, Beloit, Mount Pleasant, Pleasant Prairie, Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, Mukwonago, Sturtevant, Union Grove, East Troy, Paddock Lake, Williams Bay, Camp Lake, Wind Lake, Twin Lakes, Rochester, and Raymond. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. The following